Hi friends, it's Barry, and today let's solve this challenging maths puzzle together. A 3/4 sector of a circle of radius 4 inches together with its interior can be rolled up to form the lateral surface area of a right circular cone by tapping together along the two radii shown. So, what is the volume of the cone in cubic inches? So what that means is we have a 3/4 sector, right? Because this bit is cut out. So this is 3/4 and the radius is 4. So these are the radii. And it's saying that if we connect these two sides, okay, then we can form a right circular cone. So let's draw a cone. Something like this. When you draw this 3D shape, right? This is like a cone. So think of, using a piece of paper, rolling it up, and then forming an ice cream cone, right? So we want to find the volume of this shape, given this is what we started with. So the first thing I know is that the slant height is 4 because this is the part we connect. So this part here is actually this part, right? Or this part. So I'm going to highlight that. Like here, this is the part, okay? So we now know the slant height of the cone to be 4. I'm going to use another color. So slant height is 4. And we want to think about what the circumference of the base is. So the base is made of 3/4 of this circle, right? And this circle is of radius 4. So the circumference of this whole circle, if we also account for this bit here, would be 2 pi r, r being 4. So the circumference would be 8 pi. Now, since we have rolled it up and used it to form the circular base of the cone here, so the circumference of our base must be 3/4 of 8 pi, okay? So 3/4 of 8 pi, which gives us 6 pi. So we know the circumference is 6 pi. Let me move this a bit. Move it to the side. Oops, you know what? It's fine. Okay, so we know that is 6 pi. And now let me think. So you know this is 6 pi, and we need to find the radius of our circular base. So here, right? Given the circumference. So if the radius is r, then we have this equation here. Okay. And then we can solve for r, giving us 3. So the circular base has radius 3. Now we know a bit more, right? So because this is 3, then we can think of this part of our cone, this sort of triangle, here, here, and here. Slant height is 4, the base is 3, so we want to find the height of our cone, which we can do so by using Pythagoras' theorem. 4 squared minus 3 squared, and we take the square root of that. That is 16 minus 9, which is 7. So the square root of 7 is the height of our cone. So now let's record the formula for the volume of a cone, which is 1/3 pi r squared h, where r is the radius of the base and h is the height of the cone. So let's put everything in. 1/3 pi 3 squared, and h is √7. So 9 divided by 3 is 3 pi √7. So that is the answer. Now let's check from here. Well, we see that answer C is 3 pi multiplied by the square root of 7. And that is our answer. If you enjoyed this video, please comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.